Hi everyone. In this today's session, I wanted to discuss some more problems on Rolle's theorem. So in last session also I am discussing some problems on Rolle's theorem. So in this session I want to discuss some interesting problems on Rolle's theorem. Is here verify Rolle's theorem for the function. See this problem 8th one. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equal to log of x square plus ab by x into a plus b. In the interval ab is not, they not mention the particular value for ab. So ab is any interval, but it is that interval not consists of 0. So you have to take the interval such that it should not consist of 0. 0 does not belongs to that interval. Okay. To verify this Rolle's theorem, first you take the function f of x. So first to write f of x, given f of x is the function f of x is equal to, it is log of x square plus ab divided by x square plus ab divided by x into a plus b. This is the given function f of x. Okay. So it is defined in the interval ab. Defined in the interval ab. Okay, ab is the interval. It not consists of 0. 0 ಇರಲ್ಲ ab ನಲ್ಲಿ. So you can write, for our convenience, we can write this f of x as f of x is equal to log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. So this can be written as log of x square plus ab minus log of x into a plus b. Again we can simplify this as log of x square plus ab minus log ab can be written as log a plus log b. So minus is there, so if you multiply that with minus, it becomes minus log x minus log a plus b. So ab place ಅಲ್ಲಿ x ಮತ್ತೆ a plus b ಇದೆ. So if you expand this, it is log x minus log of a plus b. This is because log xy can be written as log x plus log y. But minus ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ minus multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. This is the given function f of x. So now we have to check the conditions, 3 conditions of Rolle's theorem. So here the first condition is continuity. You see, given function f of x is continuous function because it is a combination of continuous functions. Log x is continuous function. Log of a plus b means that is a constant value. All constant functions are continuous. Log of x square plus ab, so that is also a continuous one, and it gives always positive value. The interval negative ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು, so log of x square plus ab ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it gives positive. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು. Okay, so it is a composition of since f of x is composite of, since f of x is a composite of continuous functions, composite of continuous functions. Therefore, given function f of x is continuous. F of x is continuous function. No doubt in it, it is clearly a continuous function. So second one, differentiability. To check the differentiability condition, first to take its differentiation. So f dash of x is equal to differentiation of log of, so don't try to differentiate this. If you differentiate this second equation, okay, you take this is the first one and you take this is the second one. Okay. Differentiate second one, so it is little bit easy. So log of differentiation of log of x square plus ab is 1 divided by, so its differentiation is 1 divided by x square plus AB. Again differentiation of inside function. Inside function is x square plus AB. ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ differentiation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If you differentiate that, it gives 2x. Minus differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Minus differentiation of log of a plus b, that is a constant function. So its differentiation is 0. So now f dash of x is equal to, it is 2x divided by x square plus ab minus 1 by x. This is the function f dash of x. Clearly this f dash of x is also continuous, because nowhere it assumes indeterminate form and infinity. ನೀವು ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎ ಬಿ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಅದೆಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಬೈ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಸಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ ನ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ. So it not takes indeterminate form or infinity. So you conclude that this does not becomes indeterminate. This does not becomes indeterminate or infinity for any values in the open interval AB. So therefore f of x is differentiable. Therefore f of x is differentiable in the interval AB. So next condition is f of a and f of b. You take the third condition, f of a is equal to f of a check ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ equation 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು. If you put x is equal to a here, what it gives? A square plus ab by a into a plus b. It gives that f of a is equal to log of a square plus ab by a into a plus b, which is equal to log of, in numerator you take a common factor, it is a into a plus b divided by a into a plus b close this bracket, which is equal to, both numerator and denominators are same, you can cancel this. So what is remaining? Log 1 value is 0. So f of a is 0. Similarly find f of b. F of b is equal to log of b square plus ab divided by x is b into a plus b, which is equal to log of, in numerator you take b common factor, it is b plus a divided by b into a plus b. A plus b is same as b plus a because of commutative property in addition. Yes, both numerator and denominators are same, we can cancel this. Remaining here is log 1. Log 1 is 0. So that is f of a is equal to f of b. F of a is equal to f of b. So f of x satisfies. F of x satisfies all the conditions of Rolle's theorem. All the conditions of Rolle's theorem. So accordingly, it must exit a point C in between AB such that one. Okay, I think it's yes. Therefore, there exits Therefore, there exists C belongs to AB such that f dash of C is equal to 0. Okay, what is f dash of x? F dash of x is 2x by x square plus AB minus 1 by x. F dash of C is 2C by, so that is 2C by x square plus AB. X square means C square. C square plus AB minus 1 by x, that is 1 by C, is equal to 0. Simplifying this, it gives that take LCM C square plus AB into C na LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 2C into C ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is 2C square minus 1 into C square plus AB ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is C square plus AB. This divided by C square plus AB into C is equal to 0. which implies that ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2C square minus C square minus AB is equal to 0. Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ denominator 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So which implies that 2C square plus C square is C square minus AB is equal to 0. Which implies that C square is equal to AB. Which implies that C is equal to plus or minus root of AB. So how to find that whether that C is the value, that C value is belongs to AB or not? AB ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ನಾವೀಗ? ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಇದು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಈಗ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳೋದು? ಸಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ AB ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅದು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ A and B are the points on a real line. Okay. So then what is the geometric mean? I think you know the geometric mean. Geometric mean of AB is equal to, it is always square root of AB. Geometric mean of AB can be written as square root of AB. So arithmetic mean, geometric mean ಓದಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಓದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು. Okay, so geometric mean of AB is equal to square root of AB. That square root of AB always lies between AB. Geometric mean ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ AB ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so now on that basis we can conclude that C is equal to square root of AB that belongs to AB, since square root of AB is geometric mean of A and B. That is geometric mean of A and B. It is geometric mean of A and B. Geometric mean is always lies between that values A and B. So ನೀವು ಆ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು geometric mean AB ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, is one more problem of the same type. Rolle's theorem problem. So verify Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equal to e to the x into sin x minus cos x. Here that function f of x is given by e to the x into sin x minus cos x is defined in the interval ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. It is pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Okay, now sorry. Okay, so first to take the continuity condition, exponential e to the power of x is an exponential function. E to the power of x into sin x, you can write e to the power of x into cos x, e to the power of x into sin x minus e to the power of x into cos x. That you see it shows that it is a combination of two continuous functions. So combination of two continuous function is always continuous. Exponential ಮತ್ತೆ trigonometric functions ನ combinations continuous ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೆರಡು, that is the product of two continuous function is a continuous. Again the composition of two continuous function is also continuous. On that basis you write clearly f of x is continuous. Clearly f of x is continuous. It is a continuous function in the interval pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Okay. So next second thing, differentiability. So take its differentiation f dash of x. F dash of x is equal to here we have to apply the product rule. So first into differentiation of second plus second into differentiation of first. First to write e to the power of x as it is. Differentiation of sin x is cos x minus differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. Close this bracket plus differentiation of e to the power of x is e to the power of x into sin x minus cos x as it is, which is equal to e to the power of x. It is common in both the terms. You take it as common factor. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ e to the power of x ನ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. So cos x minus of minus plus sin x and plus sin x minus cos x. ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus cos x ಮತ್ತೆ plus cos x ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Remaining here is sin x plus sin x. Sin x plus sin x is 2 sin x. It is 2 into e to the power of x sin x. This is f dash of x. F dash of x is defined. F dash of x does not becomes infinite or indeterminate in the value in the interval pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Pi by 4 under 45 degree. 5 pi by 4 means it is 45 into 5. It's around 225 degree. 225. So in ಆ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ pi by 4 ಮತ್ತೆ 5 pi by 4 ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಇಂಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ e to the power of x sin x. So on that basis we conclude that f dash of x is differentiable. Therefore f dash of x is defined. So f dash of x defined in the interval pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. Okay. So that means it is differentiable function. It is differentiable in the interval. Third condition, f of pi by 4. F of pi by 4 is equal to, it is e to the pi by 4 into, sorry, it is sin pi by 4 minus cos pi by 4, which is equal to e to the pi by 4 into sin pi by 4. Sin 45 degree is 1 by root 2 minus cos pi by 4 is also 1 by root 2. So which is equal to 0. 1 by root 2 cancel with 1 by root 2. 1 minus 1 becomes 0. So 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 is 0. So f of 5 by 4 is 0. Next you take f of 5 pi by 4. F of 5 pi by 4. Which is equal to e to the 5 pi by 4 into sin of 5 pi by 4 minus cos of 5 pi by 4, which is equal to is what is the value of sin 5 pi by 4. You see, sin pi by 4 can be written as sin of pi plus pi by 4. Sin 180 plus theta. According to ASTC rule, 180 plus means it is in third quadrant. Third quadrant only tan is positive. Sin ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ sin pi by 4. ಪೈ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ sin ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಾಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So its value is minus 1 by root 2. And cos of 5 pi by 4 value is equal to, similar manner we have pi plus pi by 4. So again in third quadrant, cos is negative. Cos is negative. So it is minus cos pi by 4, which is equal to minus 1 by root 2. So its value can be written as e to the pi by 4, e to the 5 pi by 4 into minus 1 by root 2 minus of minus 1 by root 2. So which is equal to 0. This gets cancels. So that is f of pi by 4 is equal to f of 5 pi by 4. Okay. So therefore f of x satisfies all the conditions of Rolle's theorem. F of x satisfies, so thus f of x satisfies all the conditions of Rolle's theorem. So then accordingly there exists C belongs to pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, pi by 4, pi by 4 such that f dash of C is equal to 0. What is f dash of C? F dash of C ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋದು? F dash of x ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರೀಬೇಕು. F dash of x ಏನು ಬಂದಿದೆ? 2 into e to the power of x sin x. So by using that you write the f dash of C. It is 2 into e to the C into sin C is equal to 0. So here it is the product of three values is equal to 0. So here 2 is not 0. E to the c is not 0. So definitely sin c 0. So which implies that actually ಹಾಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. So sin c is equal to 0 by e to 2 into e to the c. So that is not the way. You have to think that product of three numbers is 0. ಮೂರನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು 0 ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಇದು 0 ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು 0 ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so this is 0. So sin c is equal to 0, which implies that c is equal to sin inverse of 0. So c is equal to, what is sin inverse of 0? When sin becomes 0? So sin 0 is 0. Sin pi is also 0. Sin 2 pi is also 0. But these two are the values. So 0 ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, so that 0 does not belongs to the interval pi by 4 and 5 pi by 4. 0 ಬರಲ್ಲ, but pi ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Sin inverse of 0, sin pi is equal to 0. Sin 2 pi is also 0, but 2 pi 225 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು, ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So therefore c is equal to pi is the value that belongs to the interval pi by 4, 5 pi by 4. ಸೊ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಎ ಬಿ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್, ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿಫೈಡ್. ಹೆನ್ಸ್ ರೋಲ್ಸ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿಫೈಡ್. Again, you consider one more problem on Rolle's theorem. So that is f of x is equal to sin 2x by e to the 2x. So write the given function first. F of x is equal to sin 2x by e to the power 2x. That can be written as e to the power minus 2x into sine 2x. So it is defined in the interval, that interval is 0 to pi by 2. So now you take that continuity condition. So e to the power of exponential function is a continuous one, sine trigonometric function is a continuous in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So clearly f of x is continuous. Clearly the function f of x is continuous in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So it is a continuous function in the interval 0 to pi by 2. Okay, next differentiability. Second condition, differentiability. F dash of x is equal to. Here we have to differentiate by using product rule. Product rule apply mana. E to the power of minus 2x ಆಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Differentiation of sin 2x is cos 2x. Sin ನ differentiation ಆಯ್ತು. Sin ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರೋ function 2x ನ differentiation ಮಾಡಿ. It is 2 plus sin 2x ಆಗ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Sin 2x keep as it is. Differentiation of e to the power of minus 2x is e to the power of minus 2x into minus 2, which is equal to, here you take 2 into e to the power of minus 2x common factor. It is cos 2x minus sin 2x. This is f dash of x. So that f dash of x exists in 0 to pi by 2 because, so for any value between 0 to pi by 2, it not assumes infinity or indeterminate form. So it exists in 0 pi by 2. Okay, so that means f dash of x is derivable. F of x is derivable. It is derivable or differentiable in the interval 0 to pi by 2. So third condition is f of a is equal to f of b. So you take f of 0 first. F of 0 is equal to, what is f of 0? E to the power of 0 into sine 0 is 0. F of 0 is equal to e to the power of 0 into sine 0 is 0. And next value f of pi by 2 is equal to e to the power of minus 2x. It is minus 2 into pi by 2 into sine 2x sine 2 into pi by 2. This is equal to 0 because here 2 cancels, remaining is sin pi. Sin pi value is 0. Sin pi 0 ಆದರೆ so ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So that is f of 0 is equal to f of 0 is equal to f of pi by 2. Hence f of x satisfies all the conditions of Rolle's theorem. All the conditions of Rolle's theorem. So therefore, there exists C belongs to 0 pi by 2 such that f dash of c 0. F dash of c andre enayitu? F dash of c is 2 into e to the power of minus 2c into cos 2c minus sin 2c. This is equal to 0. So the product of three numbers is 0, means any one of that should be 0. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So now ಇದು 0 ಆಗಲ್ಲ, 2 0 ಅಲ್ಲ, e to the power of 2c 0 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So then definitely this will be 0. So which implies that cos 2c minus sin 2c is equal to 0. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ minus sin 2c is equal to minus cos 2c ಬರೀಬಹುದು. So cancel minus on both sides, which implies that sin 2c by cos 2c is equal to 1 either. Sin 2c by cos 2c can be written as tan 2c. So tan 2c is equal to 1. 2c is equal to tan inverse of 1. 2c is equal to tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. So not only pi by 4, you can take some more values. Okay, so it's enough. I think pi by 4 is enough. And 3 pi by 4 andre, so it is minus 1 barutte, minus 3 pi 5 pi by 4 barutte, but it ನಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರೇಂಜಿನ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಬೇಡ ಅದು. ಸೊ ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು, ಸೊ 2 ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ pi by 8. So what is the value of pi by 8? Pi by 8 means pi by 4 na off. So 45 off. So 22 and half degree. Okay. Pi by 8 is the value that belongs to the interval 0 pi by 2. Okay. Hence Rolle's theorem is verified. Rolle's theorem verified. Okay. So one more problem. I think we already solved this problem, this type of problem. Okay, so you write quickly write so for f of x and its conditions. It is clearly it is a clearly it is continuous because it is polynomial. So f of x can be written as x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So in the interval, it is defined in the interval 1, 3. Okay, first you write f of x, simplifying f of x, so then it will be easy, I think. So write it is x minus 1 into, you multiplying these two, x minus 2 into x minus 3 is x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6, which is equal to x minus 1 into, it is x square minus 5x plus 6, which is equal to x into, this is x cube minus 5x square plus 6x minus x square plus 5x minus 6, which is equal to x cube minus, is this correct? Yeah. So it is x cube minus 5x square minus x square is minus 6x square plus 11x, multiply add ಮಾಡಿ 6x ಮತ್ತೆ 5x 11x ಬರುತ್ತೆ minus 6. So if this is f of x, ಈ f of x ಇದೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಅಥವಾ ಆಸ್ ವಿ ಕನ್ವೀನಿಯಂಟ್, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಈಸಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1 and 2. So since f of x is polynomial, since f of x is polynomial in x, therefore it is continuous in the interval. What is that interval? 1, 3. So next take the differentiability condition. So take f dash of x, second equation use mana differentiability ge. So second condition, differentiability, f dash of x is equal to differentiation of x cube is 3x square minus differentiation of 6x square is 12x plus 11. So that exits in, it is also polynomial, so definitely it is differentiable, that exits in 1, 3. So therefore it is derivable. Third condition you take. So f of a is equal to f of b ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. So first equation ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 minus 1 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So it is f dash, f of 1 is equal to, sorry, f of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 into 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. And f of 3 is equal to 1 minus 3, sorry, this is 3 minus 1 into 3 minus 2 into 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಗೊತ್ತಾದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. So now you take that f of 1 is equal to f of 3. So because it's satisfying, because both the values are 0, ಎರಡು 0 ಬಂದಿದೆ. So therefore f of x satisfies all conditions of Rolle's theorem. F of x satisfies all the conditions of Rolle's theorem. So therefore their exits C belongs to 1 3 such that f dash of c 0, f dash of x ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು f dash of c ಬರೆಯೋಣ. 3c square minus 12c plus 11 is equal to 0. 3c square okay plus 11 is equal to 0. Is it is not possible to factorize this. 11 3s are 33 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. We can't split this middle term. Okay. So better use the formula c is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac. So c is equal to minus b minus of minus 12 plus or minus square root of b square, that is minus 12 whole square minus 4ac divided by 2a, 2 into 3. So c is equal to, it is 12 plus or minus square root of 12 square minus 12 square is 144 minus 4 3s are 12 into 11. 4 3s are 12 into 11. 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12 plus 1. 132 divided by 6. Let's go and simplifying this. So it gives that c is equal to 6. 12 divided by 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 plus or minus square root of 144 minus 132 is 212. Again it is a 12 divided by 6, which is equal to 2 plus or minus 12 can be written as square root of 12 na hige ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು square root of 4 into 3. 3 4 na root inda ಹೊರಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ it is 2 root 3. So it is 2 root 3 divided by 6. Again 6 cancel with, you can cancel 6 with 2. 2 ones are 2 3s are. So which is equal to 2 plus or minus 1 divided by root 3. You see this root 3 by 3 can be written as, root 3 by 3 can be written as 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 anta ಬರೆಯಬಹುದು. Okay. So this is 1 by root 3. So its value is around 1 point something hige ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So I think both the values 2 plus by ಇದು ಎರಡು values 2 plus 1 by root 3 and 2 minus 1 by root 3 ಎರಡು values ನಮ್ಮ interval ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So therefore the values of required values of c are, therefore required values of c are, required values of c are c is equal to 2 plus 1 by root 3 and c is equal to 2 minus 1 by root 3. It is 1 by 1 point something, it is around 0.9 ಆಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ value. So that is the value belongs to the interval 1 3. This is also belongs to 1 3. Yes, Uh, so I think it's enough to complete these problems. Okay. So regarding the doubt, uh, I'm taking on online classes. In that class, you can discuss the doubts on Rolle's theorem problems. So okay, I want to stop this class now.